Let's get into my everyday makeup routine. Of course, we're starting off with skincare. I'm currently using the La Roche-Posay moisturizer and I'm loving it. It's so thick. And then I'm going in with my La Roche-Posay sunscreen. I really like this one. It's not tinted or anything. I honestly feel like it gives me another layer of moisture, which I can always appreciate. And then of course, my Laneige lip mask in the berry flavor. This is my favorite one. A recent step I've added into my routine is using a primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip. I have to be real, I haven't used that many primers, so I can't really compare this to too many. This Skin Enhancer by Makeup by Mario has single-handedly changed my entire makeup routine. The way that I'm starting with this product before I've even gone in with concealer or anything, I love the dimension it gives my face in a super natural way, and I feel like I use less concealer when I start with this product because it also provides a tiny bit of coverage. I mix 2 shades of the Nude Sticks Cream Concealer, number 1 and 2, and this is just the perfect match for me right now. I focus my concealer on my chin, under my eyes, and then a little bit on my forehead. And I have to say, I am a die-hard beauty blender user. I have bought way too many of these sponges. I don't know, every time I've tried a dupe for the beauty blender, it has not worked for me. This is the only way that my makeup looks airbrushed. As soon as I use a brush, it just looks so dry. This Rare Beauty blush in Happy is one of my favorite steps in my makeup routine. I feel like it just brings so much life to my face, and I recently rediscovered it after only wearing brown and red tone blushes, which I did like through the winter, but now with spring and summer approaching, I'm into this really pink blushed look. I always wait to apply my powder until all my cream products are on. Otherwise it tends to look very cakey. I'm using the Huda loose powder in Cupcake. I will say I used the Laura Mercier powder for years and I find them very similar. I was definitely talked into buying this from TikTok and it's totally fine. I like it, but it's not life-changing. Like, you don't need this powder. Let me just tell you that right now. I'm so sorry you guys have to see the state of my Anastasia contour kit. It has been through so much. I mix all 3 of the bottom shades together and just bronze up my face. Again, this just brings a lot of life into my face. I'm not really contouring as much as I'm just warming up my face, and I really do warm up my whole face. This goes everywhere. And then I take the more gray toned color on a precise brush and subtly, not even contour, but more give a shadow to my nose and under my lip. Then I go in with the powder version of the Rare Beauty blush in Happy. This is insanely pigmented. Honestly, you can see immediately how pink it makes my cheeks, and it might be a little bit much for some people, but blush does wear off your face very quickly, so I feel like within an hour it looks really natural. I'm like, just trust me on this one, guys. But I think it's so cute. And then sometimes I go in with my NYX brow pencil and add little freckles. I feel like I stopped doing this all through the winter, but now that spring is here, I'm super into the freckles. I feel like it just adds a nice, almost contouring effect to my nose as well. I put more freckles where I would want like contour lines. This Dior Glow Kit is one of my favorite products ever. I definitely recommend it. I use the white shade to highlight my cheekbones, my brow bone, my upper lip, my nose. Again, this goes all over the face, girl. I feel like I'm sparkling everywhere with this on. And then I'm going back in with my NYX brow pencil and actually doing my brows. I feel like the order that I do my makeup might be a little bit crazy, but this just works for me. This is how it lays the best. This pencil is in the shade Taupe. And then I use the Nude Sticks Brow Set Extra Large Brow Gel to set my brows in place. I really love this product actually, and it's lasted me so long. I'm setting my eyelids once again with the Huda Beauty powder because they do crease like crazy. And then I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette. It's by the brand Clio in the shade Walking on a Cozy Alley. I love the size of it. It's perfect for travel and it has all the cool brown shades that I love. So I mix, I wanna say 5 shades together and just get those into the crease to add some depth into my eyes. My eyes aren't hooded, but they definitely need something if I'm gonna wear mascara, otherwise it just like closes off my eyes completely. And then I go in with the same highlight shade from the Dior Glow Kit and put this on my eyelids. This is the most beautiful lid color. Again, my eyelids are glimmering and shimmering all day. It opens up my eyes, I add some into the inner corner, and I just love this. This is my favorite eyelash curler. I really recommend it. My eyelashes are so short, but somehow when I use this curler, they are sky high, babe, just like my Maybelline mascara in the shade brown. Because my hair is blonde, I always opt for a brown mascara. And honestly, the color difference is so subtle, but I feel like it does make a difference. The black is a little bit too stark on my eyes, and I feel like this makes my eyes look so much more open. Obviously, some days I don't wear mascara, in which case I'll just curl my lashes and then use the Nude Sticks clear brow gel on my lashes. And then my current lip combo is this MAC lip liner in Soar. I love it in the winter when I'm pale, and then in the summer when I get a tan, I just feel like it complements it so well. And it seems very dark, but it honestly gives a very natural look. MAC lip liners are my all-time favorite. I feel like they wear the best through the day. They're so creamy. And then I'm going in with my MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety. This is the perfect nude. It's not too light to where you feel like you're wearing concealer on your lips, and it's not too brown. It's like honestly amazing. And then Creme de Nude by MAC. This is super light. This is concealer on your lips. That's why I only use it in the center, and I feel like it just blends it all together, and it's so nice. And then I use the spoolie side of my brow pencil to take off the mascara once it has dried on my eyelids. I always get mascara on my eyelids. I feel like it's honestly inevitable. And then I just go in with a little bit more eyeshadow to blend it all together. And that is the completed makeup look. I literally wear this look in every single YouTube video you guys have ever seen from me. So I hope you enjoyed. I will link all the products below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.